Embark on a pulsating adventure into the heart of your well-being with the Apple Watch as we unravel the mysteries of 3 cool tricks to get the most out of your Apple Watch heart rate monitor. Brace yourself for a voyage that transcends traditional fitness tracking, where your wrist becomes the epicenter of cutting-edge health insights. Get ready to transform your Apple Watch from a mere timepiece into a personalized health oracle as we delve into the exhilarating world of heart rate mastery. In this exploration, discover how your watch can be more than a companion. It can be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant version of you. Are you prepared to turn your heartbeat into a roadmap for optimal living? Let's dive into the excitement and uncover the secrets that lie beneath the surface of your Apple Watch's heart rate monitor. Customize heart rate alerts. The Apple Watch allows users to set personalized heart rate alerts, providing real-time notifications when their heart rate goes above or below specified threshold. To set up these alerts, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, navigate to the My Watch tab, and select Heart. From there, you can configure your high and low heart rate alerts. This feature is especially useful during workouts or intense physical activities. By customizing alerts, you can ensure that you stay within your target heart rate zone, optimizing your exercise routine for maximum effectiveness and safety. Additionally, it serves as a valuable tool for those with specific health concerns or conditions, allowing them to monitor their heart rate closely and receive timely alerts if any abnormalities are detected. Track resting heart rate for overall wellness. Monitoring your resting heart rate is a key metric for assessing your overall cardiovascular health. The Apple Watch provides a convenient way to track this essential information over time. To view your resting heart rate data, open the Health app on your iPhone. Tap the Browse tab, select Heart, and then choose Resting Rate. A lower resting heart rate is generally associated with better cardiovascular fitness, indicating that your heart is more efficient at pumping blood. By regularly tracking your resting heart rate, you can gauge the effectiveness of your fitness routine and make informed decisions about adjustments to your lifestyle. Consistently high resting heart rates may indicate stress, fatigue, or potential health issues, prompting you to seek professional advice. Utilize heart rate variability, HRV, measurements. Heart rate variability, HRV, is a measure of the variation in time between successive heartbeats. It's a powerful indicator of your body's ability to handle stress and recover from physical activities. Apple Watch now includes a feature that measures HRV, providing insights into your autonomic nervous system. To access HRV data, open the Health app, navigate to the Browse tab, select Heart, and then tap on Heart Rate Variability. Monitoring HRV can help you identify patterns related to stress, fatigue, and overall well-being. By understanding your body's response to various stressors, you can make lifestyle adjustments to improve recovery and optimize your health. The Apple Watch Heart Rate Monitor is a multifaceted tool that goes beyond simple pulse tracking. By customizing alerts, tracking resting heart rate, and utilizing HRV measurements, you can unlock the full potential of this device to enhance your fitness journey and overall well-being. Incorporating these cool tricks into your daily routine will empower you with valuable insights, allowing you to make informed decisions for a healthier and more active lifestyle.